This is the Balancing Chemical Equations video number 9. I have completed the first 3 steps in pen. I've written the word equation, the chemical equation, and written all of the chemical symbols for the atoms that react in the reaction on the reactant and product side of the equation. Now, I need to count the number of atoms of each element that react on the reactant and product side in pen by tallying. So there are 1, 2, 3 carbon atoms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 hydrogen atoms and 2 oxygen atoms. On the reactant side there are 2 carbon, 2 hydrogen and 1, 2 oxygen atoms. On the product side, I need to ask, is it balanced? The answer is no, because there is 1 fewer carbon atom on the product side and there are 8 hydrogen atoms and only 2 hydrogen atoms on the product side. So I'm going to put my pen down and pick up a pencil. I should put a 4 in front of the water vapor molecule to get 4 times 2, 8 hydrogen atoms on the product side to match that on the reactant side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I need to also retally the number of oxygen atoms to 4 plus another one, 5 oxygen atoms on the reactant side. I now need to increase the amount of carbon atoms on the product side of the equation. Now, if I increase it on the carbon monoxide molecule, that will be favourable because it will also increase the number of oxygen atoms by 1, which would make an even number of oxygen atoms, which is much easier to deal with. So I'm going to put a 2 in front of the carbon monoxide molecule, so I'll have 1, 2, 3 carbon atoms, which matches the amount of carbon atoms on the reactant side, but I also have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 oxygen atoms on the product side. Even numbers are much easier to deal with than odd numbers. Now, to increase the amount of oxygen atoms to 6 on the reactant side, I need to put a 3 in front of the oxygen molecule. So 3 times 2 is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm tallying as I go. Is it balanced? 3, 8, 6. Yes, that's how you balance that chemical equation.